Hello guys, Akshat this side. So today we are going to analyze a data set of Parkinson disease. So in this we are having a biomedical voices of people and we are going to find out that if the people have Parkinson disease or they are healthy via this data set. So here it is given that it is 0 for healthy and 1 for PD, and we are having the data set at this link. So now let's go towards the code. So we are coding in Google Colab notebook. So here's the code. We are firstly importing some libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Metaploid, Seaborn, and here we are giving some warnings. We need to have some warnings so that we can ignore these warnings or we can do the action if we get those warnings. So here are the libraries we have import, NumPy, Pandas, and the Seaborn is used for statistical analysis and so on. So here we are loading our dataset. The dataset is Parkinson.data. We can get the dataset from this link. So moving forward, we are printing first five elements or first five entries of that data set, and now we are getting the rows and columns or the entries of that data set. So we are having 24 columns, whereas we have 195 entries. So it is given that we will be having 195 voices. So these are the 195 voices we are having. So here are the columns. These are the 24 columns. It is starting from 0 and going towards 23. It is the data type and it is the constraint given here for each column. So here we are describing the dataset, and we have loaded our dataset as Parkinson underscore df. So moving forward is null and sum. It will sum all the values or all the values which are null or the columns which have null values. So here we get these 0. Now we are mapping the dataset according to this. CMap equals to where it is. Okay, so and here is the color. We can get that there is 0.00. So the dataset is having this value right now. So here it is that the unhealthy people or the people having Parkinson diseases are denoted by 1, whereas the healthy one are denoted by 0. So we have 1 as 147 have Parkinson disease, whereas 48 are healthy, which is also given here, must be given here. So moving forward, and here we have plotted this. So number of healthy people are 48 and having Parkinson disease is 147. So we can say that almost 75% people have Parkinson disease. So here we are printing the head of our data set and we are splitting it and applying the constraint and making prediction based on the biomedical voices of other people we have, and we are predicting, and the score of train set is set on 1.0. So we are getting accuracy score of 93%, which is pretty much accurate. And here is the graph of that or the plot of that. Okay, so that's all for this. Thank you.